Good morning all. My name is Sachi Rangnath. I have a clinic at home. I practice alternative therapy. I'm into acupuncture and I do other things also. Let me tell you how I met Sharan, Inspire India team. I always wanted to learn about shares. I think way back in 2008 or 2010, I'm not very sure which year it was. My sister saw a small ad in the newspaper and she said this is what this person is going to teach us, and we were supposed to attend that. What struck me thing was, like, I had invested in LIC, so many other funds. What 3 points which I took from there was, like, invest in SIP, that is mutual funds, and then term insurance, and then medical insurance. Even earlier also I had LIC and ING Vaishya and all, which I did a little bit of calculation, like how that taught us. And then I went and I surrendered, even though I had paid for so many years. I knew it's not going to pay me even after 10-15 years also. I removed money from there. Then why I am talking about medical insurances, this is another awareness for people, where I'll request everyone have medical insurance. Very, very important. Because we had 2 incidents at home. My mother had a major injury. She had a fall and she had a major injury. And my brother's liver transplant had to be done. And it came both at the same time when it happened. I mean, at one shot we had to spend close to about 70, 90, close to 1 it came up to. Even though we have properties everywhere, but then you can't encash. This is one thing where we had and I had to pull out, which really it helped us. More than that, what I would like to say is, like, in emergency you can remove the funds, but still I don't know about how people have taken it. Insurance is very important, medical insurance. See, elders, they have this old school of thought, she did have, but then very minimal, 5 or 7 lakhs, which was not at all sufficient. Even though I had attended a course, I learned from them what has to be done, like, SIP, medical insurance and term insurance, which I have followed. But then my parents and my people, they didn't do, and they got stuck. They need to change this. In shares, we thought we could easily grow fast, make more money. That's a mistake I made. So I tell people, don't do this mistake. Continuously, consistently, and you need to have that commitment. Put aside every month, pay for a longer term, and you'll definitely reap the benefit. That's what I've seen in SIP, in mutual funds. So all to youngsters or everyone, first salary only you decide, you put it aside. It has to be long term. No short term, like, just leave it and you can see. This is the best thing I can. This is what will pay us eventually. It will really create wealth, I said. Start investing and see 5-10 years. Then money grows exponentially in mutual funds. You need to give time to grow. Start young, start early. That's what I say. No, seriously, people don't realize, this 5-10 years just goes like this. And the minute you've not even saved, and when you touch 40 or 50, I know so many of, even at this age, they're working. They're literally working so hard just to make their regular needs, See, if you pay regularly without any break, I think even at the age of 40, you can retire. And do whatever you want at that time, have a holiday, travel. Once when I had a Zoom meeting with Sharan at home, since that time I think I couldn't step out. I think we had about for 1.5 2 hours we had. That's when I realized what is the return I've got. Even gold or real estate didn't pay where mutual fund had paid. And I made that stupid decision of removing, and which I didn't put it back. See, a lot of people, they still prefer fixed deposit and putting in bank, like, savings banks and things like that. But there's something called SIP, which I would tell every woman to start as early as possible. Young girls, grown-up, middle-aged women, anyone. If you're looking for financial freedom, every woman should invest, irrespective of any class they come from. It can be anyone for that matter. I'd like to say it in a very short and sweet. If you people want freedom moments, please invest in SIP, have your own medical insurance, have your term insurance, keep learning. My message to everyone, every woman out there is financial freedom is everyone's birthright. Let's start and let's achieve it. Thank you, Inspire India. Thank you, Mr. Sharan. Thank you, Padmanabh. Thank you, everyone, entire team.